Hi everybody, this is Angela from We Are Family Homeschoolers, and today I'm doing a preschool curriculum unboxing. Now, if you've seen my other preschool video, we have been using Little Hands to Heaven, a preschool program for ages 2 to 5 from Heart of Dakota by Carrie Austin. And yes, this is a super sweet, simple program. Our little guy is 4.5 years old and extremely active. He doesn't really hold a pencil yet because he's ambidextrous. So in order to get him learning at his best, we need a very hands-on curriculum, and I feel he's ready for more content than what's in this book. Now, I know a lot of moms will add on to this book, and they'll add activity books and letter writing programs and other things such as that, but since our guy is not using a pencil yet without a special pencil gripper, we need something that doesn't include workbooks. So we're going to show you what we picked out for our kinesthetic learner, and I'm going to have him come in and unbox it with us. This just came today, and so he has no clue what's inside. Here we go. Hey, Peter's here and he's ready to open up his new preschool package. Say hi, Peter.
Hi.
Wait, come down here so I can see you. Silly boy. Okay, all right. Go ahead and open it up.
All right.
Oops, careful.
Ooh, holy catalogs. My goodness.
Okay, so, wow, I got a lot of these. The preschool curriculum we got is from My Father's World, and we got quite a few catalogs. Maybe they want us to spread the word. I wonder if we have some friends that want to do homeschooling.
Once we reach 100 subscribers, we'll do a giveaway for these catalogs.
Okay, what do we got?
Here.
Okay, the first educational toy is a Fit a Space lorry puzzle. These are made out of like a rubber crepe, so they're very durable. We're going to use these for colors and shapes and fine motor skills. There we go.
What did you get, Peter?
All right, our next toy is a number puzzle boards and pegs. So he's going to put those puzzles together, and then he has to fit the pegs into spaces. Goes all the way up to 10. That'll be fun.
Peter, look at this.
Okay, what's next?
Peter, do you have anything to say on this new toy that you have?
Does that look like fun?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7.
These Monopoly pieces or something?
Okay, we have these, feels like a tough rubber. We have these vehicle counters, trains and cars and helicopters and boats and airplanes.
I want them, I want them, I want them, I want them.
And that's a favorite already. All right, what's next? Oh, awesome. Okay, another lorry rubber crate puzzle. This one is alphabet boards.
And open it.
So this is how he's going to learn his ABCs.
Can I play with it?
Not right now.
Yeah, we'll play with it in a minute. We gotta make our video first. Okay. These are Ocean Creatures cookie cutters. Now, they don't come with a package, but they used to, so I added these on because they have lots of Play-Doh recipes and lots of games, supposedly in the teacher's book, so we wanted to do that. Okay,
There's octopus and a crab and
There's an octopus.
Octopus.
I want that. A flamingo.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, like
Okay,
flamingo.
another Lori
I
story.
like
We have
flamingo.
lacing and tracing cards. So sometimes he's going to put these on paper and trace around them, and other times he's going to learn how to sew them with these laces here to work on fine motor skills. Oh boy, what's in this? This is our science kit. Let's open that up.
Experiments? I got bigger experiment boxes than that.
Okay, we have tweezers, child-sized tweezers, and a dropper that makes noise. Look at that. And a magnifying glass, and 2 of these plastic beakers. So that'll be also for fine motor skills and little science experiments.
It's
So that's
a bomb,
fun.
he says.
Alright, let's put that back in the box.
Song with grenades.
Okay, we have these pre-K activity cards to accompany the educational toys. So let's see, this is a set of 72 activities to build thinking skills, reading readiness, large motor skills, fine motor skills, math, and language development. So every one of these cards is going to tell you how to play with all these toys in a different way. So there's your hands-on learning. Okay, what else do we have? Ooh, crossroads of character, learning to make wise choices.
That's a big trampoline.
Let's take a look at that. So there's pictures of real children in here. Looks like a story. Watch out, Peter. There's a Bible verses in here. Yep, at the top of the page. Treating others with honor. There's your Bible verse, Philippians 2:3. And your story that explains it to the kids. That's nice.
Tiny book.
Okay. So God's 10 rules, the 10 commandments, and 10 stories. So there's a little book teaching the 10 commandments. Okay, and then we have Steve Green's Hide 'Em in Your Heart, volumes 1 and 2. He's going to learn to sing his Bible verses for memory work.
Yellow, blue, yellow, blue.
And then this is just one of those rubber crate boards for the pegs, so he can stack them and count them and make patterns.
Blue, blue, yellow, blue,
And we have a little golden book, The Sailor Dog.
yellow, red,
Okay,
blue,
that's a real new book. Those pages don't want to turn.
blue, blue.
Okay, The Preschooler's Bible by V. Gilbert Beers. Now this Bible comes with the first preschool package for 3-year-olds that we've never done, so I had to buy this one separately. But they're short stories. I've done a lot of research on preschool Bibles, and this one seems to be something that I think we're going to like. Okay. Okay, Teacher's Manual. The program is called Voyage of Discovery, a pre-K adventure. It's for 4-year-olds.
Oh no, a line climb up.
And I'll show you real quick. So you'll see your week in a grid. It'll tell you exactly what to do every day. You can check it off. I'm not sure if I'm going to check it off or not, because I might want to reuse it or sell it. And then over here it tells you what you need for materials in preparation for the week, and if you have any notes for each day of the week, like if you need to make Play-Doh or such, that'll be in there.
Yeah,
Also in the back of the book is a literature list if you wanted to find some books to add on to this. So that's great. Okay, Voyage of Discovery student sheets. Just give you a quick glimpse of those. Okay. Anne Usborne, the big book of things to spot. Over 4,000 pictures to find. Let's look into that.
Snakes, rattlesnakes, panda bear,
Oh,
panda
very
pig.
cute.
Look, pigs, showing them
Yeah.
butts.
Stables
Look, a cow.
on the pond. Oh, this is such a nice book. We're gonna have fun with this one. Around town.
Oh,
See a snake? All right, that'll be fun. What else?
Snakes in town. That's what it looks like. Hey, we have this already.
We do.
oh,
Okay,
no,
a devotional, Big Thoughts for Little People, ABCs to help you grow. We have one of these already, but it came with the package, so now we have another one. So it'll introduce the letter of the week, and it has a Bible verse, and a cute little story that goes with it and some questions. So they'll look at the picture and you ask them questions and they'll find the answers for you. This teaches a lot of good behavior as well.
Free giveaway of that book at 1 million subscribers.
Oh, great. Okay, this is another Lori toy. This is a rubber crate puzzle. It is soft, latex free, it's washable. So he's going to pop these little kids out and then he's got to put them back in the right spots. So this is going to teach him visual discrimination.
I believe we already had that puzzle, but it had a blue background instead of
Yes, we have an older one and I think we lost.
Those look like the same exact pieces. Hey, we have this too.
Okay, and Richard Scarry's What Do People Do All Day? So here's the social studies part of the program.
Gabe, you can move that for your Lego set.
We have building houses, voyage on a ship, police department,
Hey,
fire department, in the hospital.
put your Lego sets in there. Put Legos in there.
Okay, is that it?
Yep. In there.
All right, we'll be back in a second. We're gonna set all this up for you. Okay guys, this is everything. All our books, all our toys, and our devotionals, and our Bible, memory verses, and there's Peter. Say hi.
Hi.
What do you think about this?
What do you think about this?
Does it look fun?
Is it fun?
Yes?
Yes.
What's your favorite toy?
Joker.
No, which one of these do you want to play with?
The cars.
The cars. Those little vehicle counters, those are going to be a hit for him. Alright, I hope you guys like this video and I'll come back in a few weeks and give you an update on how we're doing. Thanks for watching.